The cleanliness drive for River Yamuna is underway right now, and we are at Vasudev Ghat, and we'll show you the visuals of the River Yamuna. There is a big machinery that has been deployed already in this particular ghat, in this particular area, and as soon as the BJP gains a majority thumping victory in these assembly polls, after that the cleanliness drive have been initiated by the Bharatiya Janata Party. But you can see, the condition of Yamuna is very, very bad right now. You can see the dirt, the garbage that has been accumulated on the ghats, at the sides of the ghats, and it is completely unbearable to even stand here because of the foul smell that this place contains of. And the first step has been taken by the BJP, by the government, and as per the promises also, but still we can say that the situation is very bad. We'll show the visuals to you again of the ghat, because it is very disheartening to see the condition of the Yamuna. You can see the plastic bags, the garbage all over around the ghat area, which is adding to the pollution that Yamuna river is experiencing right now. You see the visuals are very, very evident and are very alarming, that how this problem continues to be a major problem in the national capital, and no solution can be seen right now. We can say that one step has been taken forward to clean the Yamuna, as BJP promised to fulfill their promise as well. But if we can compare this situation with the promises, then yes, it is a very challenging task. And also we can say that the 3-year promise that BJP has done is also a very challenging task for BJP to fulfill this particular promise to clean the Yamuna river. The visuals are very, very disheartening. All around the Yamuna river you can see only and only dirt around the ghats, and it is increasing day by day. And it is very difficult also to stand on these ghats. This is the Vasudev Ghat. The beauty is very evident also, because the ghat is beautifully constructed, but apart from that, the ghats are very, very gross, and foul smell it contains. And BJP still promises to clean these ghats. An MOU has also been signed to increase the water sports activities, to increase the tourism alongside the Yamuna, and the promise to make these ghats like the Sabarmati riverfront, and to also make a riverfront at the ghats of the Yamuna as well. But as per the situations that we are seeing through our eyes, it seems impossible for BJP also to fulfill that promise within 3 years of the time frame that has been given by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And also we can say that machines have been deployed, but machines are still not working right now. And there are days when the machines are working, there are days when the machines are not working. So we can say that the cleanliness of Yamuna, the cleaning of Yamuna requires a daily effort, and because the situation is very bad. And you can see the color of the water as well. It is clearly black water that is visible on your screens as well, and black water is flowing towards the Yamuna, and several drains are falling inside the Yamuna river without getting treated. So the situation is very hazardous right now. The Yamuna is completely polluted. The ghats are completely filled with garbage and contains a very foul smell. So the question still remains that how BJP will fulfill their promise, and how Yamuna will get clean. So this question still remains as promised by the earlier governments as well. They were not able to fulfill that promise. It will be interesting to see that how BJP will manage to at least give us some results, give the people of Delhi some result on the cleanliness drive of the river Yamuna. With camera person Himanshu, I'm Mendi Garg for News X.
For more such videos, subscribe to the News X YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.